Okay, welcome back everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking a little bit of comfort food, but it's quick and easy. And we decided, we've been going on Pinterest a lot and getting recipes. I do my own, but also I've been doing that a lot. And I'm going to start labeling these, you know, a Pinterest recipe, something like that, so you kind of get a feel for what we're doing here. This recipe we've never tried, so this is going to be a first. It's 4-ingredient hamburger casserole. So you're supposed to use medium shells, not small, pasta. So I've already got those. I've already cooked them, and I get them to a certain point, like it's a little bit tougher than al dente, and then I let them just sit in the water just for a little bit. And then I went ahead and started browning my 1 pound of ground beef. You're going to break it up and fry it that way. You're going to add some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You can do diced onion or powdered onion too. And you could probably use minced garlic as well. You may not have to, you know, if you don't have the garlic powder, you could probably use minced garlic. Okay. As soon as this meat gets done, we're going to drain it, and then we're going to start the process of combining everything. But before that, you need to go ahead and preheat your oven to 375, because this is going to go into the oven as well. I'll see you back here in just a second. Okay, so I have drained my beef, and now I need to start adding the rest of everything that we need for the recipe. It calls for 2 cans of tomato soup, not tomato paste, not tomato sauce, tomato soup. I do not cook with tomato soup. The only time we ever have tomato soup is grilled cheese. So I don't know how good this is going to be. 2 cans, that's what it says. 2 10-ounce cans. 1 pound of ground beef seasoned. Okay, both of those are in there. Alright, now the next thing you're going to need, you've got to have 2 cups of shredded cheddar and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. Now, my Walmart, once again, did not have the right cheese that I needed. They did have the cheddar, of course, but they did not have the mozzarella, which happens a lot. But they did have sliced mozzarella, so I went ahead and got that. You know, so's better than none, right? So what the author of the recipe tells us to do is put in half of the cheese inside this skillet with the beef and the tomato soup. So I need 1 cup of the cheddar. We'll pack that in just a little bit. Okay, that's added. And we need half a cup of mozzarella. And like I said, they had the slice, so I had to get that, but sorry about my oven. Went ahead and got that and chopped it up a little bit. You can, the author says you can add all cheddar if you would like, or whatever kind of cheese you have on hand, I'm sure would work. Okay, so let's recap. We got 1 pound of ground beef, cooked, loose, and we drained it. We added 2 10-ounce cans of tomato soup. Don't add any water to that. You got 1 cup of cheddar, half a cup of mozzarella, and she does call for half a cup of water to go along with this, and she wants you to brown it. So I'm sorry, not brown it. She wants you to simmer it just a little bit and warm it up. Okay, here's my half a cup of water. Okay. Alright, and you're also supposed to add your cooked pasta. And that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, got that done. So you just lightly stir all this together. And that pasta, it just said one pound box. And that's what I did. I didn't double anything. We're going straight with this recipe. See if it's any good. I mean, it looks good. If you ever want to see a recipe, you know, one of your recipes, you want me to cook it for you, please message me here, message me on Instagram, Facebook, put it down below, anything. We'll try to get that on for you. All right. So the next thing you have to do is you're supposed to have a baking dish, a 9 by 13 ready. Okay, so you take your mixture and get it in your sprayed or greased 9 by 13 pan. Make sure your oven's preheated, 375. Okay. Spread all that out. And you top it with your remaining cheese. You need to place it in your oven, covered with foil, and bake it for about 20 minutes, give or take. And if you find after the 20 minutes the cheese is not quite melted like you like, uncover it, but watch it closely, and it should melt nicely then. Okay, I'll see you back here in a few minutes. Okay, everybody, this is the finished product. I've already got some over here dished out and ready. Real simple, it didn't take me long. And my family's already been into it and said it tastes great.